inside Bobby's body. The lungs were chilling. The stomach was full after a big soda burp. And the diaphragm, it suddenly jumped up like, "Boo! Hic!" Bobby blinked. What was that? Inside, the diaphragm shouted, "Sorry! I twitched!" The lungs yelled, "Dude! Warn us next time!" The vocal cords slammed shut. Check! Brain sent a message. "Guys, what's going on?" Diaphragm replied, "Gas, cold drink, excitement. Too much pressure. I panicked." The stomach giggled. "Told you not to chug that soda?" Now Bobby kept hiccuping. "Hic! Hic! Hic!" His cat stared at him like, "Bro, you okay? Your hiccups? Just a little diaphragm drama." Subscribe to Soul Fact for more fun inside body stories.